Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, September 8th, 1923. It is 4:20 and 9 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, quantum mechanics. So let's hop to it here. As deriving the fundamental limit of heat current and quantum mechanical, many particle systems, date September 5th, 1923. Source: University of Tsukuba. Researchers have mathematically derived the fundamental limit of heat current flowing into a quantum system comprising numerous quantum mechanical particles in relation to the particle count. And further, they establish a clearer understanding of how the heat current rises with increasing particle count, shedding light on the performance constraints of potential future quantum thermal devices. Over the past few years, research has been conducted on quantum technologies that exploit the quantum mechanical properties of microscopic entities. Quantum thermodynamics is a notable field in this domain. Within this field, quantum heat engines and quantum batteries, leveraging quantum characteristics, have been theoretically studied and practically tested. A critical indicator of the performance of such devices is the magnitude of current heat transferred per unit time flowing from the ambient environment to the quantum system as the system size increases. However, the fundamental limit of the heat current flowing into such an ensemble of quantum systems remains unidentified. The scientific investigators and researchers say, based on this inequality, they demonstrated that as the quantum system incorporates increasing number of particles, the heat current flowing into the system does not rise faster than a cubic function of the particle count. And furthermore, they derived an inequality applicable under more realistic conditions, wherein the heat current does not rise faster than a square function of the particle count. Interestingly, the phenomenon related to energy radiation termed as superradiance was identified as the most efficient mechanism for achieving the fundamental heat current limit derived in this study. While earlier research has hinted at nonlinear heat current surge with respect to the particle count in various specific scenarios, this study is pioneering in pinpointing a fundamental limit that is universally applicable. Notably, these findings could be instrumental for cooling engines associated with quantum devices and other similar applications. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Teacher of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.